Now we continue with the characteristics of big data. We've said that we have volume, velocity, variety. Volume is about the size. For example, they say new information is generated daily. In some cases, hourly. So it has high volume, terabyte, petabyte, and the like. So that's one characteristic. Another one is velocity. The speed at which the data is generated. So new data is added every second. So what you have, you just pause, you analyze. If you update your analysis, new data has entered already, it has changed. So data that come from things like sensors and the like. Then the variety. So you have different types: unstructured, text, email, video, plus other traditional data types. So you need to analyze all of them together. Veracity, this is what we discussed about the noise. So it has a lot of biases, noise, and abnormality because of the way it is collected. So you should be able to clean it. So the last part that is being added now is that we should not be doing this analysis just for the technical part to demonstrate knowledge. It must create value. So we must be conscious of the value of the organization. When we are explaining the big data, there are facts and figures that are given to demonstrate the size or how big data is. For example, they said that Walmart handle about 1 million customer transactions per hour. Imagine you want to analyze the data for 1 year, if this is what they have per hour, and say the millions that you will have. Facebook handle 40 billion photos. Decoding human genome before take 10 years, but the capacity of processing that we have now, it can be done within a week. The data in universe can now double every 2 years. So what you have for over 100 years, in another 2 years, it can become double. So about 500 million tweets per day, 100 hours of video uploaded every minute to YouTube. So the internet traffic is about 200 exabytes per month, and 1 exabyte is estimated to be 1 billion gigabytes. So global mobile traffic is about 30 exabytes per month with 50% growth rate. Total number of users on the internet about 3.5 billion. Total number of mobile devices about 10 billion. This data is dated, like I said, so the data around this change every time. For example, let's check internet to see if we just type something like big data facts, put 20 to bring the current one. So you will see different things like 20 impressive data statistic, big data statistic, and the like. So you can update yourself. Let's check example like the Walmart that handle 1 million customer every hour. So it's handle 2.5 petabytes of unstructured data that is being monitored and analyzed. This is one report that says that in 2022 the industry worth 274 billion. Google receives more than 3.5 billion searches every day. So if you are to download and analyze Google search in just 1 day, you have 3.5 billion entries. So 100 billion messages on WhatsApp every day. Almost all business are struggling with how to manage unstructured data. So during this your data science career, you should focus and try to build capacity in analysis of unstructured data. In healthcare, it's increasing everywhere. 79 zettabytes of data were generated in 2021 alone. 180 zettabytes is estimated to be generated in 2025. So it will be increasing over years. Then data interaction increased 5,000% since 2010. More than 1.2 billion years have been spent online. So if you translate it, the big data analytics is set to reach 1 billion. Internet users generate 2.5 quintillion bytes of data each day. So if you reduce it from byte backward, it will reduce. So you calculate that in the exercise. In year 2020, internet users generated 1.7 MB of data per second, and we have about 3.5 billion users. 95% of business said managing unstructured data is a significant problem. So we have market to serve. More than 91% of organizations are investing in artificial intelligence and big data. With the help of big data, Netflix saves 1 billion annually. So see, big data is a serious issue. So that's that about our discussion for now. So let's stop there and move to the next video. Thank you.